What's going on, boys? Today we low-key fumbled the bag. You see this trade right here? I was in this, but I kind of got cold feet. I kind of got scared of losing the trade, and I closed out before it actually was able to play out. And of course, as soon as I manually close at break even, we just dumped a TP, and this would have been my freaking second big win of this combine, and I would have been at a nice, I would have passed the account today in 2 trading days. But let's just go over the bias. So as you guys see, all-time highs, very, very, very extended up. So I either wanted to see all-time highs get taken, or we displace lower and take out some sort of imbalance. So I saw that at 10 o'clock we created this 4-hour imbalance, so that set that as my draw. It's also equal lows right here. It's just a really good target, and I wanted to wait and see if maybe this 15-minute bullish gap could hold price, and I was looking for potential longs out of this gap towards these all-time highs. But judging off of this 1-hour candle close and 4-hour candle close, I highly doubt this 15 minutes gonna hold. So, and like I predicted, we just flushed through it, so this 15-minute gap was invalid. Then I see we're kind of displacing towards this imbalance, towards this target, but we're just really choppy, and I understand that we are choppy and that conditions aren't the best for a trade, and on a XFA I probably wouldn't have taken this trade, but since this is a combine, I'm trying to get this over with. I am looking for PD raise, and then I spot out this 2-minute imbalance right here. This little 2-minute gap right here we made, and I had this 5-minute gap, which really, really sussed me out. This is what scared me. This 5-minute unmitigated gap. When I saw price tap into this 2-minute gap, I went down into the 15-second. And let's look at our executions right here. I sold 3 minis, just to prove it to you guys that I actually did this shit. I sold with 3 minis right here off of this big candle right here. Stop loss here, TP right around here, right? And I saw this initial sell-off, right? And then I saw price on the 30-second. I saw us get these very, very bullish wicks. And this just didn't feel, I don't know, I just lost confidence in this trade. And when I lose confidence in the setup in the trade, I like to just get out. But in hindsight, I should have just stayed in. But I was just scared that we wanted to do something like this. I thought, judging off these wicks, like ideally we just ripped to TP off of this move right here. But the fact that we come back into this 2-minute imbalance really, really scared me. So as soon as we got some sort of push towards our entry point, I just got out of the trade. And then as soon as I got out in this candle right here, we just flushed TP, which is annoying. But I thought price was going to come from here, tap into this 5-minute, and then maybe go there. And low-key, there's a trade right now targeting this 5-minute gap. This is low-key not a bad setup either, to be honest. We inverse this 1-minute gap. There's a 4-hour for value gap.
Order filled.
I like this. I don't care. I'm going to lose on this one, boys. I like this trade. This is a more of a reversal setup, but if we go into the 4-hour, we tapped into this 4-hour imbalance right here. We're very bullish, and we see these nice bullish wicks. I'm just targeting this 5-minute gap. What do I need? 1467. 1533. That's all I need here. I'm just gonna sit and wait. If we lose on this, I'm happy with the loss. This 5-minute wick, we take out. We're in a 4-hour for value gap. I think we're gonna rebalance to this gap. I doubt we're gonna just flush all the way through, you know? This is probably a 60% win rate, something like that. I'm not too sure, but we'll just see what happens here. I've seen this trade play out a bunch of times, so. Nice little 1-to-1. It's 1.2. Fuck it. I'm going to pause the recording here and update you guys with how the trade plays out, alright? Alright, we're back with an update, and that trade did not play out. We're down now 1,500 on the day. Balance is break even. But can someone explain how is my MLL only 500? Dude. 500. How is it not 2K if my balance, my total P&L is only $84? Like, what? I thought the balance, it's trailing up until 2K. I never got above a 2K balance, so maybe it's unrealized? No way. I'm like, honestly confused. I'm gonna ask. Let's ask him. Yeah, 2K, right? If your net or trailing drawdown. Dude, so just because I was up $1,500 on the account, I can't go back down to negative 500? That's crazy. Alright, hopefully we'll see what happens tomorrow, but that is very upsetting because that's a really shitty rule in my opinion. But let's just go over this trade. So as you guys see, we have this 4-hour imbalance right here. Boom. We take out this form of sell side. Then we see a nice 1-minute reaction being this inverse. I enter, as you guys saw, somewhere in there, boom. And I'm just targeting this 5-minute unfilled gap because after price takes out external liquidity, it likes to rebalance into internal forms of liquidity such as imbalances. So I was just betting on the fact that, especially after seeing these 5-minute wicks, I was pretty confident in price going up and rebalancing into this fair value gap, but it didn't play out. We lost the trade, and that's pretty much it, you know. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow this max loss limit goes back up to 2K since I'm only down 84 on the account. That's nuts, dude. That's nuts. Hopefully, I'm really hoping it resets. So I don't have to buy another $50 freaking funded, another freaking combine. But yeah, that'll do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys had a better training day than me. Today was a no news Wednesday, so probably best idea is to stay out of the market for the most part, right? Is this London lows? This is London lows here. London lows. We have Asia lows. And then we have this 4-hour imbalance right here. I knew I should have just stuck with my continuation model, man. But I'm really not mad. That's like more of a, I don't know if you guys know PB trading. That's like their MACD model. That's a very good model. It is profitable. It just didn't play out. Price had other ideas, you know. I'm probably not going to trade again today, but I'm just going to sit and watch and see how price delivers to these lows. Just tape reading, you know. But sorry for the background noise too. I'm outside down the shore, so a lot of shit going on. But yeah, let's see if price comes out and takes out these other sell side lows, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.